Hey guys, it's Paulie with JP Cycles. I'm here at Born Free in Southern California. It's amazing out here. There are bikes everywhere. There's FXRs. There's actually a bunch of FXDPs, which is my bike of choice. There are choppers. There are diggers. There's the Wall of Death. There's everything going on. So stay tuned and check it all out. Man, I've just found the most amazing thing I've probably ever in my life seen. It was created by Dalton here. Dalton, tell me a little bit about it.
It's a 1951 pre-unit that I cut up and manipulated into a chopper. Built the forks, wheels, exhaust, bars, everything's handmade. And I decided to build a custom hauler that would haul it. So I built that from scratch also.
If you don't have a t-shirt, you can have a full closet by the end of the day. Man, what an event. My faith in humanity is completely restored. You got FXRs, you've got Dynas, you've got baggers, you've got choppers, you've got diggers, you've got bobbers, you got everybody in unison hanging out. Everyone's cool, the music's chill, it's a really good vibe. No one's being a tough guy. Everyone's just out here having a good time. There's people chilled out, laying on blankets, eating food, just chilling out. This has been an amazing event. Definitely check out Born Free next year if you get a chance. This is Paulie from JP Cycles. Ride them, don't hide them, and ride it like you can fix it. Hey guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, hit up our 1-800 number, or you can ask me a question below. I'll be happy to get back with you. Now get out there, get on that bike, and go for a ride.